Hello guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Nag-Aso Boiling Lake. Located ito sa Hulugan, Manito, Albay. It is a 3-hectare geothermal green water lake na kilala sa high temperature. Ito ay parte ng Pokdol Mountain Range Geothermal Area. Ito ay natural hot sulfur water na umaagos papuntang dagat at ito ay napapaligiran ng mga nagtataasang punong kahoy.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something